Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add links to your TikTok videos. Super simple, just press the plus button here and I'm just going to randomly record a video. Press next and then you are just going to see that there's an add link, so you can just select it and you can add like a link to your minigame. There used to be more options like adding a link to like a website. I'm not sure why they removed it. I'm not sure if they have it on your TikTok, but for now you can just connect your videos with minigames. So select minigame and you can select the minigame that you want to link to your TikTok. They have like quite a few here, as you can see. Maybe like this beauty salon. I'm just going to press select and it's going to be linked to your video essentially. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!